Hello, this is Sarah and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to decorate a glass mug using vinyl, and all the materials and template is linked below this video. I am using vinyl from Tech Wrap Craft. I love all the pastel colors and so many different shades of pink. I turned some of my flower drawings into a floral pattern, starting with the leaves, and add the first layer of pink flowers. Add this to a glass mug, or you could also do these on ceramic mugs, water bottles, plates, and so much more. The template will list out the order of layers, and you could also feel free to use any colors you like. There will be 3 different flower shapes, so I decided to make those 3 different flower shapes in different shades of pink. Once you have all the flower layers, the last shape is the center circle for the flowers. I loved experimenting with these flower patterns. Please like this video below and subscribe. Thank you for watching.